Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm here to talk about Higurashi episode number 19. And before we start, thanks to all the people who tried to help me in the comment section of my previous Higurashi video. Because of that, I think so I'm able to figure out what exactly is now going on, and I will tell you what I think is happening, and if that is correct, just let me know in the comments below. If that is also wrong, also let me know. So what I think is happening is Rika got a good ending. And after that, after some time, Mion transferred into another school. And after some time passed, Satoko's birthday came, and they celebrated Satoko's birthday. But at that time, Rika pranked her with that box where Satoko gets punched. If you remember the flashback, that's what happened. She got pranked, and in that timeline only, after she got punched, after some time, Rika was like, "Okay, I wanna go to this academy." And that episode 17 and 18 episode number 18 and 19 are these episodes. We are seeing Rika trying to get her to go to the academy, and they are now in the academy. And as we see in this episode, Satoko is feeling a bit left out. She's feeling alone because she wants to be with Rika, but Rika has got new friends. So I feel like Satoko is going to go crazy. Because of that, she's going to be killing everyone here. Because of that, Rika will reincarnate. And this time, if you remember, let's go a couple of episodes back. In this timeline, Rika, again, everything goes smooth. But we see Rika in the shrine at some point in that timeline. And Rika is like, I have not been getting good roles, but this time everything has been going great on its own. So that means somebody else is rolling the dice, and somebody else being Satoko, and they again celebrate Satoko's birthday. But this time, she changes the present. She brings a teddy bear instead of that punch thing. And Satoko, because she has gone through this timeline once, she thought that it was going to be that punch thing. So that's why she just kind of ducked. And Rika was like, okay, something's wrong. And Satoko pointed a gun at her. And I feel like that is the present timeline that's happening. And right now we are in a flashback. Okay, so after Satoko pointed the gun, so I feel like after we get to see finally Satoko killing everybody in this academy, then we go back to the Satoko pointing the gun at Rika's scene, and we'll continue off from there. That's my guess what's exactly happening. I don't know if you guys understood or not, but I tried my best to explain. I know it's really confusing, but I still tried my best. And if you understood it and you know if it's correct or not, just let me know in the comments below, because I've been trying to figure out everything for past 20-30 minutes, and my head has been hurting. So I just can't think about it anymore. This is the best case, not best case, but this is the best possible scenario that I came at. This is what I feel like is happening. I can't think of anything else. So with that said, let's move on to the episode. And let's talk about it. So Rika was like, I wanted to go to this academy. Satoko was not that interested in it, but she was like, okay, I get to be the Rika, so it's fine, I'll do it. And it was still a few years before they have to take that test, because they're still in middle school. And we get to know that Shion is going to that same academy in which Satoko and Rika wanted to go. And one thing was, I was interested in I was interested that we might see Shion in that academy. But the thing is, my guess is we didn't see Shion because 3 years have passed so far, and I feel like in that academy there are 3 years, their first year, second year, third year, and after that he graduate. So I feel like since 3 years have passed since we got that information, Shion has already graduated. That's why we don't see her in the academy. That's my guess. And so Rika and Satoko, they study hard for it, and Rika passes the exam. We get to know that, but then they were kind of building up a suspense to if Satoko she cleared the test or not, but she ended up clearing it, and now Satoko and Rika both are in the academy. But what is happening is that Rika has found new friends, and we all know Satoko is obsessed with Rika. She wants to be with Rika alone, so far as we know. And but Rika has more people around her. It's not like Rika forget about Satoko. She's like, I am friends with these people also. You can also join. You can be there every time with us. But as I told you, Satoko is obsessed with Rika and she wants to be with Rika alone. She doesn't want anybody around Rika. So that has been bothering her, and I think so because of that she has been kind of distancing herself from Rika, and that has also been bothering her since she can't be like alone with Rika. Because of that she's not able to focus on studies and everything, and because of that her grades are going down, and she's getting even more angry because of that, and she sees Rika with her other friends just enjoying, and that's where it's like that this isn't what he promised Rika, and I feel like this is where she's going to go crazy. She's going to kill everyone, and then we're gonna go back to the Satoko pointing the gun at Rika scene, and that's what I feel like is gonna happen. But if by some case, like if that does not end up happening, like right now, because of the scenario that I've created in my head as I explained it earlier, if that is correct, I feel like that is correct. Because of that, I'm not confused. I feel like I know where the story is heading, at least a little bit. But if things start to change a little bit, like if different things start happening from what the scenario I've created in my head, I feel like I'm gonna start getting confused again, and I'll need some more help. But for now, that's what I think is happening. So again, if you guys know I'm correct or not, just let me know in the comments below. But that was it. It was a pretty enjoyable episode, to be honest, because I was a little less confused this time, thanks to all the people that helped me in the comments in the previous video. So thanks to you guys. But let's see where this story goes. Again, I said, enjoy the episode, a good episode by Higurashi again. And this was episode 19. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what did you guys think about it in the comments below. And I will be here for episode number 20 next week. So till then, have a great time. I'll meet you in the next one.